Welcome to our wool processing factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how millions of tons of goat wool are collected, cleaned, and
How many more bales are we fitting on there? Just one more, then secure the load.
The process begins with raw wool entering massive scouring trains. Here, warm water and specialized detergents gently lift away the lanolin and impurities.
Every batch is processed to achieve consistent quality and texture.
Every product is tested before shipment to textile manufacturers worldwide.
And that's how millions of tons of goat wool are transformed into premium textile materials used around the world.